Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 14, 2025 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 14, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 14, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later. For 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 14, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, May 14, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 14, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.